Question 4 of this exercise says if a equals to 2 and b equals to minus 2, find the value of. So basically we'll have to put the value of a and b in the given expression and we have to find the value. Now let's take the first expression that is given. So that is a square plus b square. Let's put the value of a and b. So it will become 2 square plus minus 2 square. So 2 square is basically 2 into 2, which is 4. And minus 2 square is basically minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4. So it will be 8. Now let's move on to the second part. The expression that is given is a square plus ab plus b square. Now let's put the value. So as we know that a is 2, so it will become 2 square plus a is 2 and b is minus 2. We'll put it, and b is minus 2. So it will become minus 2 square. And as we know that 2 square is 4, 2 into minus 2 will become minus 4, and minus 2 square is plus 4. So it will become 4. Now let's move on to the third part. The expression that is given is a square minus b square. So it will be 2 square minus minus 2 square. So 2 square is basically 4 and minus 2 square is basically 4 as well. So it will be 4 minus 4, which is same as 0.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.